The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are the latest smartphones from Google. And while yes, it seems like these phones were announced months ago because Google pretty much unveiled the design at Google I/O, now that we know exactly what to expect from these phones, there's still a lot to love. So these are the top 5 reasons why you should buy the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Number 5, Face Unlock. Okay, so I was a huge fan of the Face Unlock in the Pixel 4. I always preferred a really good Face Unlock over a fingerprint sensor, and I was always kind of bummed that Google decided to remove that feature from the Pixel phones after the Pixel 4. But it looks to be making a return in the Pixel 7. It seems that with the more powerful G2 processor and improved camera system, Google has decided to finally give us back Face Unlock. We'll still have to wait and see how good the Face Unlock on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro actually is, but hopefully it's as reliable as the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, if not better, because Google has had some years to improve that technology. And if it is, this might be one of my favorite features on the Pixel 7. Number 4, better displays. Google has given the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro brighter displays this year. They can get up to 1000 nits with HDR and up to 1400 nits peak brightness, which they say is 25% brighter outdoors when compared to the previous model. As far as display size and resolution, that remains about the same from last year's Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. You're also getting 120Hz refresh rate on the 7 Pro and 90Hz refresh rate on the regular 7, which is also the same as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro from last year. But having that brighter display can honestly go a long way. If you plan on using your Pixel outdoors and with a great camera system on it, chances are you will, then that brighter display is going to be a really useful feature. So it's nice that Google has improved that technology and just made the whole experience a little better for us. Number 3, the Google Tensor G2 chip. With another year under its belt, Google's second generation chipset looks to be really special this year. The G2 is said to have 60% better performance, 20% more power efficiency, and when it comes to AI and machine learning, it's said to be 70% faster when compared to last year's Pixel 6 line. Of course, numbers don't really mean much, and it's more how the phone actually performs when you use it every day. But this new chipset is giving the Pixel 7 some pretty great camera features thanks to that bump in performance. You have things like face unblur, which sharpens blurry photos, and it looks to be a really useful feature. And you also have cinematic blur, which is just cinematic mode on the Pixel. At least that's what it seems like. And you also have 10-bit HDR on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. It feels like Google is finally reaching their stride when it comes to their custom chipset. Not only does this chipset promise to be more powerful with better battery life, it's also allowing the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro to add unique and useful features, which I appreciate. Number 2, the camera system. The Pixel phone has always been known for its excellent camera experience, and this year looks to be no different. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will have a 50 megapixel wide-angle camera sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera sensor. The Pro will also have autofocus on that 12 megapixel ultra wide, so that's just an additional feature you get on the Pro. The Pro also gets an additional 48 megapixel telephoto camera sensor, which offers super res zoom up to 30x. And while yes, that sounds very similar to last year's Pixel 6 line, Google has added some new features and improved their computational photography, which looks to make this year's Pixel even better. The Pixel 7 Pro will also have macro focus this year because of that improved telephoto lens it has. And as I mentioned before, we're getting that new cinematic blur mode that's coming to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, which is just going to blur the background of a subject while taking a video. You also get better video stabilization with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and better autofocus as well. This is going to be a really special phone when it comes to the camera experience. Well, pretty much like every other Pixel phone. Number 1, price. This is by far the best part of a Pixel phone in my opinion. The Pixel 7 Pro starts at $899, which is pretty good. When you compare it to the other flagships out there, the 7 Pro is $100 to $200 cheaper, and that's always nice to see. But the Pixel 7, this just might be the best value in any smartphone available right now. It starts at $599, at least here in the United States. For that price tag, you're getting a flagship phone that honestly even makes the 7 Pro kind of look overpriced. It offers great performance, great camera system, all those great Google features, and more for $200 to $500 cheaper than other flagships. Google is honestly doing an amazing job by pricing these phones competitively, and really that is one of the main reasons I would recommend any of these Pixels to someone. And those are the top 5 reasons why you should buy the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Of course, most of these things we'll have to test out when we get our hands on the Pixel 7, but just early impressions, this phone looks to be great, but not perfect. So if you want to see a top 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.